this is What's Up 290, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can play emulated SNES Super Nintendo ROMs on an actual Super Nintendo using this Super Everdrive China version flashcart. These are very inexpensive compared to the North American counterpart, and they also do work in an American Super Nintendo as well, as I'll show you. The only trouble is, you can order these on eBay, but they have to be shipped from China. So all they cost about 35 bucks, as opposed to about 150 these cost in the US, they will take a while to arrive. You also need an SD card, not a micro SD card, a normal SD card to play on this cartridge. I'll link to this cartridge on eBay, but it does also work in an American Super Nintendo, like I'll go ahead and show you now. Here's an American SNES, and here's this cartridge. So I'll go ahead and show you Super Mario Kart running off of the flash cart now. So when it starts, the start screen looks like this. And then just select Start Game, and then select your game and press Start Game, and it'll load it. There's the game running. If not every Super Nintendo game, most Super Nintendo games work. Maybe some Super FX chip games may not work. I'm actually not sure about that, so check. But this is a good way to do most games for those of you who don't want to go track down the original cartridges for every game out there, while not having to deal with things like the batteries dying in your cartridge so that they lose your save files, and while being able to play on an actual original SNES. So that's about it for this video. Now I'll show you how to copy your SNES ROMs to the cartridge. So what you want to do is just plug your SD card into your computer, and then extract the zip file that has your ROM in it onto the SD card. And then after that, you should be able to just put it in, and it should work. If the cartridge does create a file for you, a folder for you on your SD card, move your extracted ROM into that folder, or try putting it in both the root of your SD card and the folder that the flashcart creates, if it creates one. So that's about it for this video. Sorry for the awkward filming, kind of hard to operate the Super Nintendo and everything else at the same time. But you need a mic. That's about it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. This is What's Up 290, and I'm signing off. See you in the next video.